Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you my big album of banknotes from all around the world. Today, I want to show you another album, but this time, dedicated only to one specific country, Israel. I have both coins and banknotes inside. I think I have almost all possible denominations of the Israeli state. And even one or two coins from British Palestine, before Israel was established in 1948 by United Nations. So the highest denomination in coins is 250 pruta. And the lowest is half Israeli lira. The biggest coin by size is commemorative 25 lira, the smallest by size is 1 agra. All currencies are available here: mil, agra, pruta, shekel, new shekel, and lira. By the way, all of this is available for swap or sale. But let's move to the banknotes section. I've sorted all of the Israeli banknotes by year. So, it begins with 1958 half lira and 1 lira, continues to 1960 huge and amazing 50 lira note, and jumping to 1968 new design 5 lira with one of the world's famous scientists, Albert Einstein, on it. 10 lira and 50 lira were issued in the same year. (1973) brings new series of Israeli lira, 5 lira here, 10, and 100 here. (1978) comes and another new series of Israeli currency announced, shekel. Don't mess with the new shekel. 1 shekel here, 5 here and 10 here. 50 shekel with a portrait of Ben Gurion, Israeli first prime minister, 100 shekel issued in 1979 and 500 shekel was issued in 1982. 1985 a new series of currency came to the world, new shekel, 5 new shekel is here. This 10 new shekel was issued in 1992, and 20 new shekel in 1993. New design of new shekel was issued in 2001, and a polymer one in 2008. And finally, the current design of Israeli new shekels was issued between 2014 and 2017. I was really surprised that it was paper money and not a polymer, like the previous 20 new shekels. I know, I have a lot of missing banknotes. This collection is still in progress. If you have any notes I didn't show here, please write me in the comments section below. I would happy to know. Besides that, thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe to my channel, reach me out for any kind of swap or sale, and see you in my next video.